That's not the dance you want to do with me, woman.
Oh, really?
I eat bullets all day long.
Oh, for breakfast or lunch? Because it's dinner time.
I'll count down for you. 3,
2.
Hops! Freeze! Put that down. Get your greasy sausage fingers off of her.
What are you doing here?
Saving you.
Who's that need to be saved?
No. All right, this is my house, and your goddamn girlfriend ain't going anywhere.
That's disgusting.
Girlfriend, that is my sister.
Bullshit. She's too good looking to be your sister.
Very funny hat. There are people after you.
Believe me, I know that.
Yeah, it's gonna stay that way unless you tell me where that virus is.
Listen to me, Bennett. She's gonna die if I don't get her out of here right
We're
now.
all gonna die if she doesn't tell us where that weapon is.
Actually, everyone's going to die because I am the virus. It's embedded in capsules. I need to find a way to get them out.
Bag the asset. Now or never.
I'm more of a now type of guy.
On my 3.
Sure.
1, 2, 3.
No one tells me what to do.
Now I take you to school, son.